In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Garmin Forerunner 55 to Strava. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Garmin Forerunner 55 connected to Strava. So all that you have to do is download the latest version of the Garmin Connect application. If you still don't have Garmin Connect, open the App Store or the Play Store and look for the app. Now, you will be able to tap Add Device and follow the instructions on screen to set up your Garmin Forerunner. You will be able to set up any model that you have, including the Forerunner 55. So assuming that you still haven't set it up, you will be able to open this window, browse all compatible devices, choose the Forerunner, and then find the Forerunner 55 from this list. Now just go through this process, and after this is done, by using it in Bluetooth pairing mode, you will find it under the list of connected devices. Now to connect your account and the Forerunner 55 to Strava, go over to More, tap on the settings, and you will be able to find Connected Apps. Inside of Connected Apps, you will be able to connect external applications, including Microsoft Office, MyFitnessPal, and finally Strava. So all that you have to do is choose it from the list here, and you will be able to read and agree with these terms. So you may share your activities with Strava by linking your accounts, enable the following features with compatible Garmin devices and a Strava subscription account, view Strava live segments on Garmin Connect, and watch your Garmin live track session using a Strava beacon. So all that you have to do here is tap agree and follow through with the instructions on screen. You will be redirected into a web browser where you can sign into your Strava account. After this is done, both accounts will be linked together and you will be able to use Garmin Connect in conjunction with Strava. This is going to work for any model of Garmin watch that you have, including the Forerunner 55. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin Forerunner 55 to Strava. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.